Well, the location of the BMC, the Body Control Module for the Dodge, this is mine's a 2018 Dodge. I'm going to be replacing this, is behind the glove box. And then to remove the glove box, it's got these tabs you have to bend out, these little plastic tabs that you have to bend out to open it up. And then it has this little tab here that you just slide up. It comes out of the hole. Knocked it out of my hand. And then the control module is back here. It's behind these wires back here. Then also there's another part that's right in the way, and there was a little clip. It's hard to see. A little clip in there that I had to push, and it loosened it up. You have to get this out of the way. I haven't taken it apart yet, but you take the power connector off the top, and that should come out of the way, because it's after I removed that clip, it became really loose. So it's probably just maybe the wire holding it in there, the clamp on top, and that'll open it up to where you can get in there to the power control module back here, because there's two screws on the bottom you can't even get to, and there's screws on top that look like are going to be hard to get to. But once you get this part here out of the way, it should free up some room in there to get in there to try and get to it. But I haven't done it yet, but that's the BMC that's behind the glove box off to the right, hooked to the side of the firewall. I've been looking for information on this. Nobody could tell me, and I found it behind the glove box. Thank you.